Hi guys, welcome to Screen Guru. So here we have a very important topic today, and that is sports terminologies. So if you are preparing for any type of competitive exams, there are some direct questions related to sports and related to terminologies in itself. And if you are preparing for FCAT, then this becomes a very important section of the current affairs or the GK section. ठीक है, तो हम स्पोर्ट्स टर्मिनोलॉजीज देखेंगे अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स के. ये वीडियो अलग अलग पार्ट्स में होगा. सो दिस इज पार्ट 1 ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स टर्मिनोलॉजीज. वी विल बी लुकिंग इनटू different aspects or words, or you can say different unique words or concepts related to a particular sports. There are direct questions जैसे कि for example beamer is a word associated with which of the sports. So this might be a question. Direct question ऐसे आता है. फिर हम putter is a word associated with which type of sport or game. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. तो बाकी ऑप्शंस होंगे, उसमें से आपको चूज करना होगा. So to tackle such type of questions and to achieve 100% of marks, that is out of marks in this particular section or this particular type of questions, I have brought this very important video for you. So let's start. The first game is the very popular cricket. So the first word or the terminology is played on. What we will do is I will read on and I will underline it, so that if there is any type of explanation which needs to be given, then I will tell you about it, or else we will just move on ahead with it. If there are any spelling mistakes, I will take into consideration. Okay, so let's move on. The second is appeal. Then we have bye, leg bye, power play, follow on, beamer, Huber shot, last ball, Duckworth Lewis. Now Duckworth Lewis is a method when a play is stopped due to any of the reason. That might be many of the times it is extreme climatic conditions. So at that point of time, Duckworth Lewis method is utilized so that the overs are reduced and accordingly the runs are also reduced, और target वो वगैरह accordingly वो मतलब वो लोग एक मेथड से टारगेट सेट करते थे अगली टीम के लिए. ठीक है, तो रन्स भी रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं और पूरा प्ले अगर समझो कि T20 मैच चल रहा है, तो अगर कुछ बारिश की वजह से प्ले स्टॉप होता है तो रिमेनिंग टाइम में ओवर्स भी कम होते हैं और वो टारगेट भी कम हो जाता है. ठीक है, so that is Duckworth Lewis method. Then retired hurt, Chilman, batsman, bowler, wicket keeper, fielder. Now this is associated with the terms of the players. तो जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं वो अगर फील्डिंग कर रहा हो तो उसको फील्डर बोलेंगे, विकेट कीपिंग कर रहा हो तो विकेट कीपर बोलेंगे, ऐसे. देन वी हैव LBW. Now LBW is a short form for leg before wicket. Now this is something new or unique, I can say. Then we have catch, hit wicket, throw, maiden over मतलब फर्स्ट ओवर. देन वी हैव ओवर, 4, 6. ये Z नहीं है, यहाँ X आना चाहिए. दिस इज सिक्सर. देन वी हैव वाइड बॉल होता है ना. देन वी हैव स्विंग. ये बॉलर के टर्मिनोलॉजीज है. बॉल अगर स्विंग हो रहा है मतलब वो बॉल ऐसे घूम के हवा में जा रहा है तो उसको आप स्विंग बोलोगे. सो दिस इज अ टर्मिनोलॉजी एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिकेट. देन वी हैव स्ट्रोक, कवर, मिड ऑन, मिड ऑफ, मिड विकेट. नाउ दिस इज स्पेसिफिक रीजन्स ऑफ द प्ले ग्राउंड. ठीक है, दिस इज द स्पेसिफिक रीजन्स ऑफ द फील्ड, क्रिकेट फील्ड. तो मिड ऑफ होता है, मिड विकेट होता है, ओवर द विकेट. ना ओवर द विकेट और राउंड द विकेट इज अ एंगल थ्रू विच द बॉलर इज बॉलिंग और द साइड ऑफ द अंपायर के राइट साइड से, लेफ्ट साइड से, अकॉर्डिंग टू द बैट्समैन. दैट इज ओवर द विकेट और राउंड द विकेट. देन वी हैव लेग स्पिनर. दिस इज बॉलर टर्मिनोलॉजीज. ऑफ स्पिनर. देन वी हैव ओवर थ्रो. जब रन्स भागते हैं तब अगर किसी प्लेयर ने थ्रो कर दिया और वो अगर वो विकेट कीपर की मतलब स्टम्प्स के नज़दीक नहीं रहा वो बॉल, तो ओवर थ्रो हो जाता है, मतलब वो और एक रन भाग सकते हैं अगर बॉल दूर चला जाए तो. ठीक है, मूविंग राइट. वी हैव ओवर स्लिप, गली. नाउ दीज आर अगेन रिलेटेड टू प्लेयर्स इन अ स्पेसिफिक रीजन. दैट इज गली, कवर पॉइंट, सेली पॉइंट. देन वी हैव लॉन्ग ऑफ, लॉन्ग ऑन, थर्ड मैन, short pitch, hook, dead ball. Now dead ball is when the batsman is not ready or umpire has given a dead ball for a specific reason. ठीक है. Then we have run out, popping crease, pitch, bouncer. Bouncer is associated with bowling. Then we have full toss. Again that is associated with the type of ball which has no bounce. That is a direct ball is known as full toss. Then we have Yorker. The bounce is at the crease, at the very toe of the person, the toe of the batsman. Then we have googly, again the type of ball. Maiden wicket, snick, duck, हैट्रिक. हैट्रिक मतलब हैट्रिक चांस होता है ना, 3 विकेट अगर लगातार 3 बॉल पे मिल जाए तो उसको हैट्रिक बोलते हैं. We have rubber, the Ashes. Now the Ashes is a world famous tournament. Then scoring a ton means scoring a century. And we have half century, etc. Okay. So I hope majority of the terminologies have been covered. So moving ahead. The next sport is also one of the most loved game, that is football. So the terminologies are, first is abe, then dribble. Dribble is a skill. Extra time. Now this is associated with the time of the play. Then full back. This is associated with strategy of playing football. Half back, striker, center, forward. These are region. These are the specific person at the specific region of the playground. अगर वो एकदम आगे तो उसको forward कहा जाता है. Okay, that is based on the strategy as well as on the playground. Moving ahead, we have penalty kick. Penalty हो जाए तो उसके बाद kick मिलती है, उसको penalty kick कहा जाता है. That is directly between goalkeeper and the person. I hope you are getting these basic knowledge. मैं आपको पूरा explain तो नहीं कर पाता. I expect that you have some knowledge about it, so that you make sense out of what I am speaking so little about any of the term. Scissor kick. These are type of the kicks. Then goal kick, direct kick, corner kick, referee, tiebreaker, hat trick. Again 3 goals. Handball. If by mistakenly or purposely a hand ball touches the hand, then there is a free kick or penalty kick according to the placement of that particular person. Then we have sweeper, back, throw in, touch line, place, kick, kick off, means to start the game. Direct free kick, indirect free kick. Now these are specific rules of the game. Then we have tackle, sliding tackle. Sliding tackle is a type of tackle. Now in sliding tackle, what the person does is he slides his whole body in the path of the ball so as to tackle the ball or to take the ball from the opponent team. Then we have drop ball, sudden death, penalty shootout. Now penalty shootout is when the even after increasing the time, even after the extra time, if the match is tied, then we have penalty shootout. If you have followed any of the leagues or club related games or Olympic football games, then you must know a basic little about these terminologies. So moving ahead, we have the third and the last game with us, that is the national game of India, that is hockey. Now hockey has been in news due to our victory, our bronze medal victory in the men's category, and unfortunate loss in the bronze medal match by women's team. But it is a all-time high regardless in the coming 40 years. So this becomes very important to sum up this particular section. There is a high possibility that questions might come from the hockey sports, hockey game. That might be sports terminologies, or that might be related to particular current affairs, that might be related to players, etc. So looking into the sports terminologies of hockey. So the first is advantage, then we have backstick, bully, carry, dribble, dodge. These are the skills of hockey game. Then we have goal line, green card, flick, free hit, face off stick and back stick. ये हॉकी स्टिक होती है ना, तो उसका फेस होता है और एक बैक स्टिक होता है. तो बैक स्टिक से आप नहीं मार पाते. If you by mistakenly hit a ball with the back stick, then that's a free kick, or that the ball goes to the opponent. Then we have jab stroke, lung stroke, melee, offside, penalty shootout. Again the same as in the case of football. If there is any penalty in the penalty section, there is a shootout. The short corner, striking circle, square pass. Now these are the regions of the hockey field. Then we have tackling. Again, as similar to the football thing, the opponent tries to take the ball. That is tackling. Through pass. This is the type of skill. Then undercutting, stick, penalty. Now hockey stick को stick भी कहा जाता है. Hockey stick ऐसे बार बार नहीं बोलते तो stick भी कहा जाता है इसे. Then we have penalty stroke, scoop, sideline, tiebreaker, penalty, volley, center forward. Now center forward is a person who is in the forward position and at the center. Okay, now this is based on the field. Then we have roll in, push in, shooting, half volley, full back, tomahawk, etc. Now tomahawk is a special type of stroke. ठीक है, जैसे साइकिल किक वगैरह फुटबॉल में फेमस है, वैसे टॉमहॉक इज फेमस इन हॉकी. ठीक है, दिस इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रोक. सो दैट्स इट विथ टुडे. Meet you in the next part of this video, as well as stay with us for the coming weeks, as very important videos related to FCAT 2021 and the coming exams will be uploaded. Much content is in the pipeline. If you need or if you have any demands related to what type of content should be uploaded here onwards, please do comment. So that's it for today. That's Spring Guru for you. Have a great time ahead. All the best.
ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर, हमारी पावर है, हमारी पावर है. जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो 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 तो कह रहे थे तुम करो. आज हमने कर दिया तो कह रहे हम करेंगे, तो करो ना भाई.